Your lock screen equals your joy, what's on yours. Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And from my page you have to go to trending at highlight. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so it's better to go here. And here, as you can see, I only have viral trends, so you can check these two if you want. So there we have it, your lock screen, your joy, what's on yours. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, from here you can go to your upload and choose the photo with your screenshot, with your lock screen. You can make your photo bigger or smaller and place it where you want, and you can do the same thing with your sticker. So once you're happy with it, you can share it with your friends. Click on the your story button from the left bottom corner and your story will be shared. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.